How to review news you searched for on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review news you've searched for on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down until you find the activity log, click on it and go down again until you find this one, look at actions, click on it and go down. Here you will find this one, news you searched for, just click on it, and as you see here you can review news you searched for on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.